Got a text from Logan. Thanks, buddy. I'm still bored. I wonder what would happen if we stuck a guinea pig in a microwave.
Hey, my sister has a guinea pig. Let's try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cut.
Yeah. Hey, Jervy.
Hey, Guy.
You're so cute. You're gonna be the perfect experiment for our microwave.
We're just gonna put you in there and see what happens.
We're gonna warm you up
We're gonna warm you up real good,
like a hot pocket.
like a moving animal hot pocket.
I like hot pockets.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, let's do this, guys. Let's get in there. Let's get this guy. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. Do you want me to get him?
I got him. I got him. Hello. Hello. Okay, little guy. All right. Let's get him in there.
Let's do this.
Let's go. All right. Get in there, Jervy.
It's okay.
Little guy.
It only
It's
smells.
all right. It's fine.
It smells like butter.
It smells like hot pocket. It's good. Yeah.
It's good. Okay.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
Yes!
What happened?
That was so much better!
Killed him!
That was so much better!
He blew up!
Oh my gosh! Emily's gonna be so mad!
Gonna be so mad.